I heard that station coming to 076. Sounded like 41, but I have a lot of QRM on my end out here in California, Roger. How about it, UDX-791, UDX-791, 076 Southern California, we're trying.
California, you're done.
And no, I'm not.
Tell them, say, man, why can't we just talk with our locals and you guys don't be butting in our conversation?
I'm trying to talk local.
You are? Well, you surely ain't getting out local. You're way up in there, Chicago, Illinois, so turn that amplifier down.
Hey, it's just conditions happen to be working that way.
You know, I think it just gets too loud up here to be listening to you in California, all the way up here in Chicago.
Well, anyways, 076 waving a hand to that Chicago station, and I will be back on the side so he can have a little airtime.
Saskatchewan, Alaska, 544, Chicago. This is my frequency. Hello, yeah, I was sorry, nobody was watching him. He's not supposed to be on the radio.
So I'm guessing this old Uniden Grant XL and the Antron 99 are doing the job.
So sorry, Cleet, we're not taking care of the handicap guy out here. How come you don't hear me?
I can hear you, number 3.
Okay, pardon my language. Yeah, you're doing a fine trip up here. I just couldn't understand why you wouldn't hear me.
Oh no, you're booming into California, number 3. You're loud, buddy.
Over and over and over again. It's like, oh, you're pinning the needle here. You're just pinning the needle up in Shangri-La, Saskatchewan. That's easy for me to take.
Roger on that, number 3. 076 Southern California, waving a hand out to Saskatchewan.
Anybody by 157 Mike and on the AM side, you take care of those California cuties. Oh, man, but more of them because, you know, everybody's got to have a friend somewhere. Yeah. Somewhere they got a little friend. Yeah, they say hire the handicapped, they're fine.